Hi, in this video we'll be spelling the 5/7 of other keys other than the dominant. So for example, on the screen you see a 5/7 of 3, 5/7 of 6, and a 5/4/3 of 4 in various keys. The steps for spelling 5/7 of a key are the same as what we used when we spelled the 5/7 of the dominant. We need to first find the Roman numeral that is underneath the slash, find the 5 in that new key area because we are trying to spell a 5/7 in that key temporarily, and then actually spell the 5/7 using that note as its root. So I'll take you through a few examples. Number 1 in B flat major, 5/7 of 3. So first I need to find the 3. The 3 in B flat major is D. And then I need to find 5 of D. 5 of D is A. So I know that the root of my 5/7 of 3, 5/7 of D in this case, the root of that chord is A. I'd write my A in. And now I temporarily need to think as if I were in D minor. D minor has one flat, and it's a minor key, so I know I need to also raise the leading tone. D minor, the leading tone is C sharp, so just something to keep in mind. The other way I can go about this is to spell a dominant seventh on A, simply using the accidentals. So for example, A, I need a major third above that, so there's C sharp. To E, there's my A major chord, and then I need a minor seventh on top of that. I need to remember that in my key signature, E is flat, but in my chord, I needed E natural. Let's do another one. Number 2 in F sharp minor this time. 5/7 of 6 in F sharp minor. My first step is to find what 6 is. In F sharp minor, 6 is D. And then I need to find 5/7 of D, which is A. A is my root. So now I need to build a dominant seventh chord on A. Well, I just did that in number 1 actually, but the accidentals might look a little different this time. Chord spelling: A, C sharp, E, G for my dominant seventh chord. Stack it up. A, C sharp, the sharp is in the key signature, so I don't need it. E, and then G, and I need to make it natural because in my key signature it's sharp. So with these dominant seventh chords, secondary dominant seventh chords, you really need to check the accidentals and make sure you are using the proper notes. Don't forget about the key signature either. My last one, number 3, E flat major. I need to find what 4 is. 4 in E flat major, by thinking about my key, my scale, E flat, F, G, A flat, there's 4. And then I need to find out what 5 is in that new key. So in A flat major, what is 5? Spell out my scale: A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat is scale degree 5. So the root of my 5/4/3 chord in this case is E flat. Spell the 5/7 on that note. So E flat is my root. I need a 5/7 on top of that. Major triad: E flat, G, B flat, and then a minor seventh, D flat. It is in inversion. So 4/3 would mean that the 5th of the chord is in the bass. The 5th of the chord is the lowest note. So I'm going to write that B flat And first, stack up my pitches and then check my accidentals. So I do have a B flat. B flat is fine. B flat is in the key signature. D needs to be flattened. E flat is already in the key signature. And G is natural in this key.